We're on the beach. I'm trying to block out some of the windows. We're on the beach. This is our view of the water. There's sand. And pretty lady. Legs that go on forever. Mojitos. Some beached whales. Some unhappy people. And our room is right back there. A few steps to the beach. I don't think I can get here fast enough. And that's what's playing the music. Most awesome speaker set for the beach. Awesome speaker set. It sounds great. You probably won't, the flip microphone won't do it justice. There's a security post, just in case we get harassed. Or they count for us. And boats. It's really warm here. Is it snowing back at home? No? Probably. Yeah. So while you all are enjoying the snow, we are enjoying the rock snow underground right here. Look, snow! Anything you want to say, babe? All right. Let's give everyone a peace out.